Guys, we might have found mountain fishing heaven. Look at this. Wow. Oh, the water is just crystal clear, man. There's still snow right up there, so definitely still gets pretty cold here at night. That's for sure. Oof. Oh. Oh, we made it. We made it. Man, I just heard another fish jump just on the other side of the lake there. There might be some huge fish here. This is a very deep, deep lake. Cold temperatures. It doesn't seem like there's that many trout here, but the few that are in this lake might be absolute mountain monsters.